Hey everyone, today on Cooking Up Love, I'm going to share our easy recipe for making Salisbury steak with hamburger patties. This is one of our favorite new ground beef recipes. Not only is it quick and easy to make, it's also super flavorful with a rich and creamy tomato-based sauce, and it's perfect with your favorite potatoes. We like it with these creamy sour cream mashed potatoes, and I'll link that recipe up here for you. Okay, so to make this, you'll need about a pound of hamburger, a crumbly, salty cheese like feta or ranchero, cilantro, butter, tomato paste, salt and pepper, and heavy cream. Let me show you how easy this is to make. Place the hamburger meat into a large mixing bowl and add the salty, crumbly cheese you're using. Feta is great for this. Today I'm using ranchero, and they both taste amazing in this recipe. Break any large pieces into smaller crumbles, and I've also kept a couple of small pieces to the side, and I'll be tucking those into the center of some of the patties. Chop about 2 tablespoons of cilantro and add it to the bowl. You could also use parsley here. This will add color and flavor to the Salisbury steaks. Add 2 teaspoons of avocado or olive oil, a half teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then mix this all together so that the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Next, begin forming the hamburger into patties. Hey, if you guys like this video and today's recipe, make sure you hit the like button on YouTube. When you do that, YouTube shows our videos to more people, and it helps us get closer to that 15,000 subscriber number. So please hit that like button. It would be a really big help to me. And we have new recipes every week. To make sure you don't miss one, go ahead and subscribe. They're all easy to make, they taste delicious, and you'll be able to make them with confidence and share them with everyone you love. And I'd love to have you join us. Oh, and here's how I tuck a piece of cheese into the center of the patty. This is for a salty flavor bomb after the richness of the sauce and the delicious Salisbury steak. Now to cook the hamburger patties. Heat up a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. And stir this to melt the butter, and then add in the Salisbury steak patties. Continue to cook on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes, and then flip the patties. Frying the Salisbury steak in this butter-oil mixture will help give the patties this nice crust, and they'll still be juicy on the inside. After about 7 to 10 minutes, the Salisbury steaks will be cooked through. Now, this part is optional. I like to drain off some of the oil before making the sauce, or you could leave it and stir it into the sauce. Add a cup of cream and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And stir the mixture. Make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan to incorporate any of those flavorful crispy bits that are on the bottom of the pan into the sauce. Let the sauce simmer for a few minutes. And this easy Salisbury steak is ready to serve. Today we're serving it up with mashed potatoes with sour cream. They're extra creamy and easy to make while you're making this Salisbury steak recipe. And I'll put that recipe right up here and in the description for you. Let me know if you like this, and I'll see you in the next video.